Guys, this is Jet. Nandito tayo sa LRT2 sa pagitan ng Limapa and Coreza Station. So guys, if you are tourist sa Manila or you're coming from the province, pag kabisado mo yung route ng tren, makakabalik ka kung saan ka nanggaling. So guys, ito yung view from Limapa to Coreza Station.